university went and worked at a company to learn a technique, and the requirement was to sign a piece of paper that said, if I come up with anything, you own it, company. And then went back and assigned all their patents to the university. And when the university knocked on the company's door and said, you're infringing our patents, they said, oh, no, we have this assignment from you. And in fact, the Supreme Court, yeah, that's right. How does WARF handle the assignment and ownership issue in that context, given obviously they're talking about conflict of interest and an unwitting one, because this researcher didn't appreciate what he was doing when he did it.
Yeah. It was an assignment cloaked as a visitor's agreement. If you look at the actual document, you can read it. It's about a page and a half, and buried in what the visitor's agreement is what you need to sign to get into the facility was the assignment of IP. So that's interesting. It just kind of makes you want to pay a little bit more attention to what you're signing. So WARF can't do much about it. We've just tried to work with the university to make sure, and I've said this word like 100 times tonight, but processes and procedures. So the university has changed some of the forms. So if you're a researcher and you accept funding, you sign some forms, and they've changed that to hereby assign. So I hereby assign
Magic
the
language.
IP that might result from the research. And then the university has really increased some of the services that it provides when looking at consulting agreements or other agreements that researchers are asked to sign to make sure there are not conflicting obligations. So the university has really stepped up, and we've tried to work with them on that to make sure, to try to avoid that situation really from happening.
No one's happy with that. And you did say that, the fact is that an inventor, unless he assigns his or her rights, can practice and can assign independently of the other inventors, so it can make kind of a mess. I'm wondering about